I am a beginner trader, and for this week I have documented my wins and my losses. I'll be showing you guys everything from my analysis, my thought processes, and how I view the markets. Since the markets open on a Monday, I didn't have any entries or a setup to look at because the markets are usually slow and prices are not that volatile on a Monday. But everything I have documented from Tuesday onwards. A quick analysis before I clock in at work. I have just 10 more minutes to get there. So now let me show you guys what is happening for the week. What are my thoughts? What am I thinking? Bullish analysis. We can see that we have made a high, a low, and we've broken structure right here. So for the daily time frame, we are bullish. Quickly go down to the 4-hour time frame. I do not know if I'll be placing a trade today or tomorrow on CPI, but we can see that on the 4-hour time frame we are also bullish, where we have broken structure right here, and now we are making a pullback to demand levels. This is my Fibonacci tool. It tells me where to buy my discount and premium levels. Premium is where I want to sell. We can currently see that the market is sort of in between our premium and discount. So if the market shows me an entry confirmation here around this zone right here to buy the market, I will not be buying the market because I know that that is engineered liquidity, because that's what most traders will be doing, where they will be buying in between supply and demand, stop loss around here, and then obviously targeting the highs. I will not be doing that. I will be waiting for the market to come deep inside my demand zones, show me the entry confirmation where I want to buy the market, then I will be entering off from what I am seeing. And all this I am saying and learning, I am taking from YouTube videos and also the notes that I am taking. But to be careful as well, when I'm taking a trade this week, I have noted that it is CPI week, so I should be careful around the trading conditions and prices. Let me quickly go to work and I shall see you when I come back. It's Squib! Being a beginner trader, I thought my trade would come on a Wednesday after CPI, but that didn't happen. I only took a trade on a Thursday. I did a set and forget strategy simply because I was going to work, and here's everything that I have documented. I'm glad I'm learning all of this straight from YouTube and the free courses that I'm getting, so that by the time I get a mentor, I will have at least enough experience of what to do and not what to do. The guys that most of you guys are watching, I am also watching as well. I'm taking advice, learning to be patient and to be journaling my own trades and my emotions. So like what I have right here, see, I am still learning. Today is PPI day. I might just take a risk entry without confirmation here below this liquidity right here, simply because I'll be going to work and I won't be in front of my charts to be taking a confirmation entry. So my stop loss to just be below the previous low to target the high. It's giving me a risk reward of 1:4. I might do this simply because, like I said, I'm going to work. I won't be in front of my charts. I was tagged into the markets while I was at work, and that is where I did trade management, taking my stop loss into break even and just trying to figure out when I should secure my profits or just let the markets do their own thing. I'm back from work. Let's see if have we been tagged into the trade that I took or not. Let's see what has happened. Ooh, looks like we have been tagged in right here. This is not difficult. If you are someone that's working or going to school, the only thing that you have to do is wake up an hour or 2 hours before your usual morning routine. And then all you have to do is just learn or try to trade the markets. Place your limit orders if you have to, because you will not be in front of the charts when an opportunity comes. After school or work, come back and analyze and see what the markets are doing. Immediately I hit TP. I got an email from GFT. It's an unofficial email that says I have passed phase 3. Now, the only thing that I am waiting for is just to have my account details of being funded. Tepe has been hit. Risk reward of 1:3. I was not even targeting something major or something fancy to have a tight stop loss and then have a target of 1:8 or something like that. No, I was just, for me, it's just learning and applying the knowledge that I get from YouTube. If I get losses, then I document it. Why did I win? Why did I get lost? And you see, it's a rinse and repeat of the same process up until I get bored. And trust me, I do get bored of doing the same thing, analyzing, waiting for the market, and then seeing the market. It's not taking me into entry, and then it leaves me, and then I get FOMO. Journal, why do I feel this way? Why am I angry after a loss? Why am I so impatient? Other than that, on my GFT account, this trade that you are seeing here is the one that made me pass phase 3. Yeah, target profit left. We don't have any left. And yeah, we have reached 6% of trading this 10K account. So that's how my trading week went. Now what I will do is delete everything on the charts, and then on the weekend review how I have performed, do a little bit of backtesting and some learning, because I'm not stopping after I'm seeing this win, and I will not be changing how I am trading. I will not be changing how I am journaling or viewing the markets. I will still be learning the same way I am learning, going through YouTube and applying the knowledge and information I get from YouTube. But other than that, I'm still looking for a mentor and a course to properly learn the skill of trading.